baby.
Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom.
What up, Royal Squad? It's your boy Kings23 Kicks back up in the building. Finna drop another one for y'all, but this time it is not a review. However, I do have some reviews that I do need to do. Got a couple in the pipeline I need to work on. You know what I'm saying? I want to give y'all my review of the Jordan 3 Varsity Royal. I started doing the video, but then I just stopped in the middle of it. I had a whole lot going on, and I have not gotten back to it. So that will more likely be the next video that I do, and I have something else being delivered today. But that's neither here nor there, you know what I'm saying? Big shout out to everybody that's been subscribed to your boy, you know what I'm saying, part of the kingdom. Let's go get it, you know what I'm saying? Next goal is 5K, and I believe we can get it there, you know what I'm saying? So today, I'm going over some things that I've gotten, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my man, Isbo Kicks. If y'all not following the man, y'all sleeping, you know what I'm saying? Biggest shoe in the game, you know what I'm saying? I got to make sure that y'all follow my man. I'm going to actually have his link off in the description if it's not already, you know what I'm saying? I think it is on my page where you can just go off into his link, him and me and my kicks, because I rock with them boys real heavy. But what he did was challenge everybody to rebuild Black Wall Street. So in the midst of that, you know what I'm saying, it's going to supporting black businesses. So, you know, finding black businesses and buying from that black businesses, black owned businesses, you know what I'm saying? So that's exactly what I did. So I got some things from some black businesses, and I'm going to have their links all in the description below. And there's more black businesses that I know about, and I may just put those off in there as well. You know what I'm saying? Just saying, but this is some things that I decided to get. So first things first, got something for baby girl. Now, this is in no particular order. What I have here is from the Yellow Honey Cosmetics. You know, so the Yellow Honey, she has lip glosses, she has like eyelashes and things of that nature, and makeup and stuff like that. Now, that being said, my kids don't wear makeup. You know what I'm saying? I myself personally am not a fan of makeup, but you know, it is what it is. But so what I did do is grab some lip gloss. Also, the Young Honey is a real good friend of mine. And I definitely wanted to support her business. She also has a YouTube channel, and you will be able to find her online stuff, because I will have the link in the description, and I will also put her IG on there as well. So there's a card. She has lashes, palettes, accessories, merch, things of that nature. She has, you know what I'm saying, a card here, and it's also on the other side. I think I went in there too close. There we go. Stuff like that. There's also a little card that says, "Thank you for your order." You know what I'm saying? The Yellow Honey. So, got some lip gloss. This is clear lip gloss because, like I said, don't believe in makeup and stuff like that. So, this, of course, is not me. This is the Ice lip gloss. I guess I can open it up. It doesn't matter. It's not for me, but, you know. Nice packaging. And there's actually, it says the Honey Drip, the Yellow Honey and Company. So it's real clean. So for you ladies that are, you know what I'm saying, like makeup and lip gloss and stuff like that, this would be for you, you know what I'm saying, your opportunity. And I will say, I like it when a girl got some good lip gloss on it. You know what I'm saying? Puck up and be looking good. Be looking good. Y'all know what it is. You know what I'm saying? So, when them lips is looking right. Oh, my God. All right. So, the next thing is I purchased from Valiant Pursuit. And this was a shout out to my man's Isbo Kicks, because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't even know about Valiant Pursuit. So what I did was I went online, because he had the link off in his description, and I went ahead and purchased a shirt from them. Now the thing is, some of this stuff took a while to get in, to get shipped. And to be honest with you, I don't even remember what it is that I ordered. So we're just gonna, oh, okay. Yes, okay, so now I remember. So we got the shirt here, Valiant Pursuit. The shirt that I did get, that I purchased from them, is a cream color shirt with that maroon lettering. Now, I like that is because I was thinking about my maroon sixes.
Okay.
And these are definitely drip good with the maroon sixes. So with the shirt, it says compete. You have your Valiant Pursuit logo on the for the tag. I did get it in the 3X. I maybe should have got it in the 2. I didn't realize it was this big. So this is a kind of a big shirt. Even though your boy is still on the little heavy side. I'm trying to lose 30 pounds, so I'm trying to make that happen. But I like this shirt. You know what I'm saying? It says compete backwards. It's crazy because I'm looking into the camera and it says it's straight. So I know you guys see it as backwards. But that is the way that the shirt is. And it's made of a real good material, to be honest with y'all. This is not no cheap t-shirt material. This is a real good, thick type of material. So I'm already liking it. So a 2X would have did be fine. So I would say for you guys, just make sure that you order true to size. True to size on that. Now, they also put a card in there. You know what I'm saying? And they actually have a personal letter that says each day you have a chance to be better than you were yesterday from the VP crew. I like that. They personalized it. And, of course, my receipt. Now, I don't know if you guys are curious I don't even remember what I paid because it's not even on here. So, there it is. Next item is from the Sneakerheads clothing line. Now, most of y'all already know. If you guys are sneakerheads, you already know this is a black-owned business. Shout out to my man Rep Milwaukee 414. And of course, and this is not the first time I bought anything from Rep from the Sneakerheads clothing line. It's crazy because I should have used my discount from the last time, and I didn't even do that.
Really, nigga?
But moving forward, y'all already know Sneakerheads clothing line, and they give you a card every time you purchase something to get you 10% off by using a code. All right, and there's my receipt. And the one that I got this time is their standard issue. You know what I'm saying? Your T Sneakerheads clothing line. You know what I'm saying? Definitely like these guys. I like their branding. Pretty good, and it's a pretty daggone good shirt. Once again, not no bull BS shirt. So definitely like that. And Sneakerheads clothing line. And I got this one in a 3X. But the last one I got in the 2X. I have no idea why I did that. I think maybe they was out. So on to the next. Now, here, ordered this through Amazon Prime, as you guys can see. I believe this was the first thing that I got because, you know, with Prime, it comes the next day. So this is actually a book. And I like the book. And I actually rock with the author of the book, which is Mysone. I actually ran across Mysone, I think, on a YouTube video where he had just got out doing time or whatever, and Funkmaster Flex had him on there, and the dude was freestyling crazy. And I love freestyles. You know what I'm saying? You can just come out the dome and just go ham, and he did his thing. And at that time, he mentioned that there was a book that he was putting out, and which was good. He's doing writing children's books, and this one is called I Know My Rights, the Bill of Rights. You know what I'm saying? It's a colorful book that basically informs readers about the rights that they are guaranteed under the first 10 amendments to the U.S. Constitution. You know what I'm saying? And the thing is, you have to understand that being a productive and responsible citizen requires having the knowledge of the law. And speaking from experience, boy, Police don't like it when you know your rights and then you know the law. They get irritated. Oh, so you want to be a smart ass. No, it's just I want to be smart about me knowing what you can and cannot do to me. Black Lives Matter.
Oh my God!
Just saying. So this is a book that the whole family can enjoy. It's one that I definitely will be going over with my kids. It's pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? You have your Bill of Rights and stuff off in there, which is great. You know what I'm saying? It's also, it looks like it's giving you some websites to visit. So definitely grab this if you guys have not. You know what I'm saying? And support the movement. All right. As a matter of fact, his information is on there too. My son General. So definitely want to make sure that you guys do that. So that was the fourth one that I got. All right. So last but definitely not the least is I ordered a candle. And to me, I know this was a black-owned business because It's Bo Kicks. I believe it's his relative, it's his cousin. She actually makes candles. And so she started making these candles, and she has an Instagram page. And her name is Ashley Kirk. And he doesn't know that I've gotten this. Well, he's going to know by the time he sees this video. And I didn't even let her know that I knew about it. So I've been following her on IG, and then I thought about it. I was like, you know what, that'd be a great thing to get one of her candles. And I like the way it was wrapped up. It was definitely wrapped up good. You got the little peanuts in there and the bubble wrap. So it's a glass candle, and it does have some weight on it. So tossing that down. So it's the box that it comes. Vanilla coconut. Now I picked vanilla coconut because I love the smell of vanilla, which is one of my little favorite scents. And you know, people have their favorite scents, you know, like lavenders or whatever the case may be. But vanilla is one of my favorite scents that I can literally smell every day, and I pretty much smell every day. No cap. So, oh my gosh, that smells good. So I bought the candle. I like candles, fellas. I don't care. You can judge all you want to. You can act like you don't like them, but they smell good. And this candle here, I promise you, this smells good. So Ashley, if you're ever watching this, I'm not even sure if you're subscribed to my channel, if you haven't seen it, but I don't know, maybe I tag you in your IG post or something. This candle smells good. And these are homemade candles that she actually makes. You know what I'm saying? So it's not like she's buying candles and then, you know, slapping a label on them. She actually makes these candles, which is, I thought was pretty dope. She's come up with her own little thing, you know what I'm saying, logo and everything. And this is a 7-ounce coconut, hold on. 7-ounce coconut soy wax candle. Hand poured in Seattle, Washington. So that is another thing. I remember her being in Seattle, you know what I'm saying? So it's pretty dope, you know what I'm saying? So I would definitely keep this in my office and burn the candle. I like the fact that she makes her own candles, and she does have a website. Like I said, I'm putting everybody's websites down in the description below. So I'm going to challenge, you know what I'm saying, 5 people, you know what I'm saying? Hey, we got to support Black Wall Street. We got to support black-owned businesses. And I've talked about this before in my live, you know what I'm saying, we touched bases and talked about it. It's like, you got to do it. Not saying that, you know, we got to hit each other over the head, but there was a point where the black dollar was real powerful. And it goes along with just the same thing with voting. You know what I'm saying? We got to vote. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like if you don't vote, you really don't have the right to say anything or complain about who we have in office, because your vote could be the tipping point. Your vote matters. Our vote matters. Our vote really matters more than what you think it does. You understand what I'm saying? So other people have realized that we got to vote. So get out there and vote. We got to support black-owned businesses. Black Lives Matter. You know what I'm saying? This is just not a phase. This is a lifestyle. We got to do it. You know what I'm saying? You have so many people that are on board with it and fighting with us to do this. We got to do this, man. You know what I'm saying? You got to say something. You got to stand up for something. You know what I'm saying? If you don't stand up for anything, you'll fall for everything. You know what I'm saying? You don't stand up for something, then you'll fall for anything. You got to do it. So shout out again to my man's Isbo Kicks. Like I said, I'm going to have everybody's description off in there. You know what I'm saying? There are links and all of that information down below. You know what I'm saying? Everybody that's tuned in, I greatly appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? And I challenge you to do the same thing. I don't care if you're black, white, Hispanic, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Go spend with the black-owned business. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it going. Let's get these mom and pop shops going. Let's get it going. You know what I'm saying? Black-owned businesses, we need them, and we're needed. Let's make it happen. All right. So, to all my kings, stand up, rule your kingdom. To all my queens, stand beside your king. And always, always, always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. So, we're going to toss this to the side. Now, what I want to do, I think I'm going to just kind of leave most of this stuff up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave this stuff up here, the different stuff, because it's in no particular order. And it'll remind me of the stuff. Alright, so there it goes. Alright. So last but definitely not least, now this one I know is going to be
Swans with the J's on the bottom, Air Force Ones with the tail bottom. You see them? I